Well, that's not good. Man, that sucks. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. I gotta tell you guys, I gotta change my life. I really do, you know. And some of you guys already, one of you guys noticed in the big channel that, you know, I'm losing weight. And the reason why is because I went to the doctor and I guess my cholesterol was really high. And it was like an impacting time in my life, you know, like the nurse or the doctor was like, hey, you gotta make a change, you know. Since you left the military, you gained a lot of weight, a lot, you know, like crazy amount, like 70 pounds or something like that. If you go to my first videos back about 5-6 years ago, you can tell big time. And you know, you don't exercise no more, and you pretty much let it go. And she was like, kind of like, what do you eat? And you know, I was being funny, but it's the reality. I was like, everything. I eat everything, you know. I eat non-stop. I drink sodas, I drink Monsters, I drink coffee. I eat, and eat. And you know what, that's not gonna work out. That's really not gonna work out. And I gotta tell you, in the last several years, I've done a couple diets, and I had lost 20-30 pounds and then gained the weight back up and all that stuff. It has been like a constant, you know, trying to lose a little bit of weight but gaining weight. But the thing about it is that I lose 20 pounds but then I gain 30, so that's not good. That's definitely not good at all. So she was pretty much like, look, I'm gonna have to put you on medications for cholesterol, for having really high cholesterol. In fact, your cholesterol is so high that it's making your liver work extra. And I was like, whoa, that's crazy. So I was like, I'm not gonna be on medication. I'm going to lose the weight, right? And this was a few weeks ago. I want to say about 3 weeks, coming up to a month. And or maybe 3 weeks, and in those 3 weeks I have lost, right now I'm sitting at 12 pounds. I have lost 12 pounds in three weeks, which is great, you know. And I know at the beginning you kind of lose a lot of weight because you have a lot to lose. Obviously it's gonna come back, it's gonna get harder to lose weight, but I dropped 12 pounds so far. I got my appointment coming up in May, and I guess they're gonna do some blood work. And when I do the blood work, they're gonna decide, you know, they're gonna tell me if my cholesterol went lower or if it's still high or what's the deal. But I mean, we're hoping, and she's hoping, that with losing weight, obviously my cholesterol is gonna go and drop drastically, and that's what we're hoping as well. So, you know, I want to give a big shout out to Stacy. You guys know my wife. She has helped me so much. She has been in top of me, holding me accountable, you know. Not only that, she has cooked my food. She prepares my lunch. She literally makes it so simple that it's just stupid not to do it. Like, all I have to do is eat from whatever she gives me and I'll be alright, right? She counts my calories. I mean, this girl is in top of the gang, if you want to put it that way. She is in top of this. She got me on a strict diet. So I think we should give her kudos more than me, because I think she's the one doing the hard work. I'm just eating whatever she gives me. So again, you know, it's crazy. And in the last couple months, I have had a couple medical things that I've been working on. You know, like right now I'm gonna go and check my vision. I got an appointment with an eye center. And again, the reason why is because my eyes have been getting a little fuzzy. And interesting enough, the nurse or the doctor told me that that's most likely because I'm getting older. I'm about to be 40 years old, or I'm coming up to 40. And apparently when you come to 40, that's something that may happen. You know, your eyes may start getting a little fuzzy. You know, when you read something or you read a book or something, your eyes get so fuzzy, I kind of have to push it back from my face, right? So again, that's the deal with that. And you know what, it's alright if I have to wear glasses to read or something like that. it won't be the end of the world, right? I mean, it happens. That stuff happens. But again, you know, I gotta take my weight and my health very serious. And the reason why I'm making this video is because some of you guys may be in the same, you know, in the same boat with me, and some of you guys may be going through the same thing. And you know, it's always good. One of the things that I saw in this community, or one of the things that I have learned from being in YouTube for what, close to 6 years or something, got the sun in the face, is that there's a community here. There's a really strong community here. We support each other, we encourage each other. There's always a lot of trolls, we all know that, but the community is bigger than the trolls. You know, it's always great people here. So I like to share this kind of stuff with you guys, because some of you guys are very close to me, and you know, I like to share this for you guys to know, you know, it's time to lose weight. So here's the thing, coming up to what, 12 pounds. I already lost 12 pounds. Apparently I gotta have 20 pounds down by the time that I go to the doctor. 20 pounds, right? So I'm only 8 pounds away, and my appointment is gonna be in May. So again, you know, I definitely got a feeling that I will be passing that, right? That's gonna be an easy one. So I'm hoping to drop about 30 pounds when I go to my next appointment, and that's gonna be fantastic. 30 pounds is going to be fantastic. And then not only that, when I'm done, you know, when I go to the doctor and they tell me, ah, you're doing good, I'm hoping to be able to continue to lose weight and get back in shape, because the reality is that I don't like it. I really don't. I don't like being overweight. Let me pull in here. I don't like being overweight. I don't like the feeling that it gives me. I don't like how my clothes doesn't fit me. I don't like, even for, you know, you guys know in the JH6 channel we always talk about survival and stuff like that. I don't like it. I feel like I'm not you know, in good shape. I feel like I get tired easy. I feel like I'm not the same. You know, when I was in the Marines, obviously I'm not going to be to that shape in life, because obviously there's going to be I mean, I can't exercise like I used to. But nevertheless, I think that I've been making a lot of excuses, and I think I just let go, and I think it's time to get back in the game, and I'm excited about it, and I'm going to be sharing some of those things that I'm doing here with you guys. Again, what do you guys think? Put comments down below, and as always, God is in control.